One day in an extracurricular session, a teacher gave a question as quiz to some students. The question is science question about what are behind the water plant that may be a threat that's so dangerous to people on the road. A student wrote his hand, tried to give answer. He said that behind the water plant is the two metals. There are two possibilities of the effect of rainy season. At first, it is landsliding that can be a threat on the road. Also, tree sliding or tree falling down at the roadside. Then the teacher asked to the student, make a group again. The teacher said to the student, if now you are as the chief or leader of the government, what can you do to solve the above-mentioned problem? And then the student make a serious discussion, because the teacher said that if only they are the leader in the government, what can they do? Hi guys, before I continue my song, I would like to share this as my willing in my heart to give care, to invite all of you to give care to our environment. Although maybe it is just a song, just idea, but I know some of you are the great one. And then from this song, from these ideas, you can get some, at least some ideas for you, so make you become understand with your teamwork in the leader of government, what can you do? From the discussion, then the student get inspiration. Some groups said they get some clarification. They said to the teacher, if only they become a president or governor or the chief of many facilities or the agency leader, overcome the landslide in the hill, it is need to make a terracing on the slope of the hill and mountainous area along the road street to be safe for all people who are in the hill area, and also to avoid victims on the road by the tree fall, tree slide down. It is need to make retaining wall as the sail to avoid the tree fall down and hit people who are around the tree. It is seriously need to all government to make a retaining wall or retaining iron, retaining whatever that's strong enough to avoid tree fall down and hit a serious threat. After the discussion, the teacher said and keep applause to the student group. They came to the student, everybody you are so great. The teacher prayed and blessed the student and wishing that they become the great people, the great leader, so have authority to make this idea become true, to avoid many dangers on the street. And then said by the teacher, it is need to set many rules in the place that low-lying area. So by the roof on the way, roof over the way, to avoid and to minimize the rainfall, make a water flood at the area. If as much the roof over the road to be side